Hello natural beauties, welcome to another hair tutorial. Let's get started. I'm going to start with my hydrating aloe. I like to pour this into a spray bottle, that way I can adjust the nozzle to mist. This allows me to moisten Olivia's hair and not make it dripping wet. In our L.O.C method regimen, I use aloe instead of water. Aloe is a great moisturizer. It makes the hair soft and manageable. Now let's start by sectioning the hair into two parts. Olivia loves a good pony, so this time I decided to change it up and give her an up-down pony as a protective style. We have used this method since 2010, as well as my homemade products. I wanted something that was safe for my girls, something that was all natural and free from any chemicals and dyes. And this is how Naturelle Beaute L.O.C was born. I'm spraying my hydrating aloe on any areas that I might have missed. Next up, my essential oils. This will add shine and promote growth from the follicles down. I like to do 2 to 3 pumps depending on the thickness and the length of your hair. The oil is light enough to last up to 2 to 3 days, which is the required amount of days to reapply any oil to your scalp. This works great for any protective style that you would like to achieve, such as braids, or if you're getting your hair braided so that you can do a wig or weave to sew in, this is perfect for that. The last step is my shea mousse. This seals everything in. I have added essential oils to my shea mousse mixture, and this will give the hair the extra boost of strength that you'll need. Notice how soft and manageable the hair is. This is all thanks to my 3-step L.O.C method. The first step is L for liquid, next O for oil, and lastly C for cream. By using aloe as my base, it allows the molecules in the hair to elongate, making it easier to detangle with or without a comb. Products will penetrate the hair shaft much easier also. Rehydrate as often as needed. Remember, just like grass, our hair needs water. I will use my wide-tooth comb to detangle the hair. This is essential in our household. We have one in every bathroom. Now onto the brushing. I like to use this particular brush because each section of the bristle opens up, allowing our curly curls to pass through without breaking the brush. Voila! And the top bun is done. Repeat all 3 steps for each section of the hair. For the 2-strand twist, you want to make sure that you have 2 equal parts of hair. Then you will start to twist, allowing the hair to elongate on its own. Don't rush, take your time. This will help when it's time to loose out the twist. And once you get to the end, just simply twirl the hair around your finger. There it is, a 2-strand twist. Don't worry about the shrinkage, that is normal. Look how easy it is to unravel. Start by sectioning the hair into 3 equal parts. You're going to take the middle section, twist that to the right, take the left, twist under to the right. Continue with this motion of twisting from left to right until you're done. Here's a visual recap. Here's another recap of underhanded braiding. Make sure to elongate while you're braiding down the hair shaft, and this will help to lengthen the hair. Toodles! Thanks again for watching. See you next time.